Is making 15,000 a month really possible? Many people think that kind of income is only available to business owners, IT professionals, or those with massive investments. But what if I told you there's a proven system that thousands of people around the world are already using to hit these numbers every month? Today, I'm gonna show you a powerful tool that can generate additional income. The very same one I've personally been using for 9 years. No complicated schemes, no huge investments, no magic tricks, just clear logic and real strategies. My name is Simon Becker. I'm a professional trader with 9 years of experience, and I worked at Warren Buffett's firm. Yes, the billionaire worth $150 billion. My insights on the financial markets have been published in top financial outlets like Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance, and I regularly appear on TV shows as a market expert. Over the years, I've realized one key truth. Massive financial results only happen when you start taking new actions and using the same tools as professionals. And it starts paying off almost immediately because all you have to do is follow their steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact strategy I use. The same one thousands of people worldwide are already applying to start their trading journey and level up their financial future. It's beginner friendly, and if you watch until the end, you'll see how making 10K, even 15K a month is closer than you think. All you need is the right strategy, which I'll share in this video. Your job is just follow it. So get comfortable, we're getting started. Before we continue, think about this. Every day you see people who are already making as much as they want, but what are you actually doing to start generating income for yourself? I don't just talk about trading, I show it live in real time. Every day I open trades, explain my entry logic, and show exactly what to do. 16,000 people are already inside my trading club, watching my trades in real time and following along. Everything is fully transparent, every trade, every mistake, every success is published. If you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start taking action, pause this video, click the link in the description and pinned comment and join the trading club now. If you wait too long, you'll miss your opportunity. Today, no long talks, straight to the point. I've already opened the platform, added our pairs, and set up one of my favorite tools, RSI. RSI shows us when the market is tired of rising or falling. If the line is at the top, it's time to look for reversal down. If it's at the bottom, you can prepare for a move up. Alright, let's start with 17 and see where we can get by the end. Today's approach is simple. We'll look for possible market reversals using clear, recognizable patterns and always cross-check with our RSI indicator. Everything is straightforward, so anyone can follow along. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the Canadian and the Japanese. First, look at the RSI indicator. It's at the upper boundary, meaning the market has been moving up for a long time and could be ready for reversal. I also see shooting star candle. This is a candle with a long upper wick, often appearing before a downward move. The triple candle pattern also signals that buyers are losing power. Therefore, it's time to go down. Perfect, it worked. When you see that the market is tired, you can act with confidence. Let's keep going. Here RSI has bounced off the lower boundary. The market has been falling for a while and is now ready to move up. A bullish engulfing pattern just formed. This is a candle that completely covers the previous one and often appears before an upward move. And now we see a hammer, a candle with a long lower wick, signaling that the market is ready to reverse. So we are confidently going up. When you see these signals, trust what you see. Let's move on to the next trade. Pay attention, the trend is down, but we had a slight pause, the price moved up. RSI returned to the middle, signaling that the market is not done moving down yet. At the top, I see a doji candle, a small body with a long wicks indicating market uncertainty. Next is a bearish engulfing, a large red candle covering the previous one, meaning sellers are back in control. So we go down. Great, now we are at 114, but we keep up the pace and move forward. Now we move on to the Australian and the Canadian. We're still at 114, the price moved up, then dropped a little, which is normal, the market never moves in one direction forever. At the bottom of this pause, I see a triple candle pattern, 3 small candles in a row, often signaling a move up. A hammer also appeared, reinforcing our assumption. RSI is near the middle and is already turning upward, so we follow it up. Perfect. Everything becomes simple when you realize it's not random, it's patterns. Let's move on. You just saw how I open trades, how my strategy works, and what results you can get. But here's the key. This system is not just working for me. 16,000 people inside my trading club are already using it every day. They see my trades in real time, apply them, and get results. I post every single trade live, so you can see for yourself that this is real working system. Over my career, I've written a book, spoken on the world's biggest stages, and trained thousands of people. And now you can be next. You don't need years of studying, just 30 minutes a day and a phone. Right now, entry is free, but spots are limited because I personally mentor every beginner. We'll even be able to communicate directly, and I'll answer all your questions. Pause this video, click the link in the description and pinned comment and join the trading club now. Just imagine where your life could be in a month if you start today. Now let's continue and let's check what changed. The price bounced up slightly, but at the top I see a triple candle pattern and a bearish engulfing. That's like a red light telling us to stop and reverse. RSI also signals that the market is tired of rising, so we go down. And now we're at 430 and we're just getting started. Remember, the key here is not to hesitate. Let's move on. And what do we see? Another small pause before an upward move. At the bottom, a familiar pattern appears, bullish engulfing, plus RSI has bounced off the middle again. We go up. When you spot these hints, results come quickly. 825. Let's keep going. This time at the top of the move we see a shooting star. Small body, long upper wick. RSI is also in the overbought zone, meaning the market is stretched like a string and ready to snap back. So we go down now. If you know what to look for, everything is clear. Now we're at 1,551. Let's lock in a couple more trades to secure the results. The price dropped slightly, but the trend is still up. At the bottom, I see triple candle and bullish engulfing, clear signs that it's time to continue upward. Our correction is ending and the trend resumes. RSI is already starting to turn up, so we follow upward. $2,977. Perfect. Now let's move to our final trade of the day. Looking at the chart, after a small drop, RSI bounces from the middle again. At the bottom, I see a hammer and triple candle. Everything points to a continued move up. Great. Final result is 5,596. It's simple. When you know what you're looking at, you know what to do. The key is paying attention to what the market is showing you and not rushing into decisions. Trading is not just about numbers and charts. It's a structured decision-making system. Today you saw how I analyze the market and execute trades. But to truly master this tool, you need to go deeper into the process. Inside my private trading club, you'll get training premium materials and real-time access to my trades. I go live twice a day. A community of people where there are 16,000 people who are already engaged in trading, market analysis and breakdowns of real trading situations. If you're ready to start your trading journey and want to learn more about my strategies, click the link in the description and pinned comment now and join the trading club. Entry is free, but spots are limited because I personally mentor each new member. Success starts with the first step. I'll be waiting for you inside. See you there.